Hi guys, Miss Allie here. I was trying to think of an activity that would go with the visible light spectrum and what you've been reading about previously. So I found something online where you can make your own spectrometer. Now that is something that shows you the spectrum of visible light. Here we go. These are all the different kinds of light and energy from light. This visible light spectrum is the only type of light that we can see. To us, it might look white, but when it's all split up by using a prism, you can see the entire spectrum. So, it's fairly easy, but we're gonna try it out here. Okay, so I want you to kind of look behind me for a second first. Do you see, this is the sunshine coming in my window. It's a beautiful day. What color does this look like to you? It looks white. Now the sunlight will look white to us unless we use a prism to split it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to make a spectrometer using some household stuff. So here's a paper towel roll, some scissors, a CD, a piece of note card or some kind of thicker paper, some tape, pen, and as long as we have adult help, a knife with serrated edges to cut through this. Now, it took me a few tries to get this video to come out right, so all my stuff's cut, but I'm going to show you what I did. You take your paper towel roll, and you kind of have the directions online say that you want a 45-degree angle. So what you can do is you can fold something in half as like a helper. But so this is 90 degrees. So 90 degrees looks like the corner of a square. But you want half of that. So it's gonna look kind of halfway tilted between on there. So what I did was I kind of put it up nice and then just tilted my knife. And I really did just kind of like saw through it. After you do that, you're going to create a view hole on the other side. So you made your slit, and then you go to the other side, and you kind of cut through. Doesn't need to be very big, maybe like the size of the top of your finger, just so you can see into it. Then, this is where your top piece comes in. So mine's already on there, but what I did was, I took the note card, and I put the edge of the paper towel roll here and just kind of traced around it. And it doesn't need to be like a perfect cut, but you're just gonna kind of cut this out so it looks like the same size as the paper towel roll. And then you do need, I don't know if you saw this, you do need some kind of slit to let the light in. So I folded mine in half, and I kind of just like cut a little piece out here. My first one was a little sloppier than this one, you can kind of see. Just like a little slit so the light can get in. Then when you have that, you're gonna put it on top of your post here, and you're gonna tape it down. So here, I'll act like I'm taping it here, because mine's already taped. So you would take it and you would tape it down so that it looks pretty, pretty secure. The main thing is you don't want to let a lot of other light in from the sides. Then you can take your CD or DVD, and this goes in here, and you want it to look just like this. So you're going to let the white light from the sun come in through the top, bounce off the CD, which has prism qualities because it does reflect the light and split up the wavelengths. And then we'll see what we see. Luckily we have a nice sunny. Okay. So here, I'm gonna put it to the sun. Kind of gotta move it. You can see it. You made a rainbow. right inside of here. Now the website does say that if you use different types, so when you use sunlight, it'll show all parts of the rainbow. But if you were to use something like, in my background I have lights or a lamp, or even if you had like some UV lighting, it might show you a different spectrum. But that's how you can make your own rainbow, which is some stuff here using sunlight and creating a prism to split it all the different colors. So, it's the visible light spectrum. Today was World Autism Day, and I think that spectrums are wonderful. And I hope to see you all soon, and hope you have a fun time learning new things and doing fun new science activities at home. Bye.